Hi guys, it's Lisa from Lisa's Crochet. I've got exciting news for you all. Well, it's exciting for me. Okay, so first of all, I made 2 hats. 2 matching hats. And I'm going to be adding this pom-pom and this pom-pom onto them. That's the closest I had in my pom-pom collection. I gotta fluff them up and put them on. But why? Why am I making matching hats? 1, 2, 3, get ready to scream with me. Guess who's coming to Canada? Guess who's coming to my place in Canada? Bethany and Alora, my grandbabies. And this is actually, now that I look at this is probably too big for Bethany, but I guess it'll be kind of like a slouchy hat. Anyway, I will link in the description box below the tutorial I followed for these hats. And they are fast and quick and delightful to make. I used papataya. I can't pronounce the name of this. Papataya. And it's probably backwards. But when I was in the UK, I bought from a company in the UK that I was suggested to buy from. And I did 2 videos. I did one was a mystery box and one was something else box. Going out of, no longer carrying yarn. What do you call that? Yarn. Clearance yarn. So yeah, pretty colors, eh? I love these colors. I love rich. Well, these aren't as rich as I like. I like the richity rich jewel tone colors. But hello, I don't care. I got little 2 matchy poos in the house. Coming back to Canada for oh, I didn't tell you. Okay, so yeah, did I tell you? Oh, I'm so friggin' lost. Yeah, so my daughter, her husband, Bethany, my 2 granddaughters are coming to stay with me October 28th till November 26th. They're coming the day before my mom's 81st birthday. Unfortunately, we can't get together then because I'll be working. I work 1 to 8, so that weekend's off. So, but on November 5th, on November 5th, we're all meeting at my brother's house, and we're gonna have a potluck dinner. All my brothers, my 2 brothers, their wives, my one sister and her husband and her kids, and yeah, and Bethany is going to flip her flippin' lid. Whoa! Because, okay, I grew up on a farm, and the farm, my brother bought my parents' farm. My mom still lives in the one house on one of the farmages. Like, we own farm, or we did, right? So anyway, my brother has every imaginable equipment, farm thing that you would go loopity-loo over if you were Bethany. Okay, if you guys don't know, my granddaughter Bethany, she's 2. And she is like infatuated with anything that has wheels. Tractors, garbage trucks, motorcycles, you name it. If it's got wheels, my granddaughter is out of her mind. So when we go there, my brother's got like the big, huge like the big, huge tractors. Not like when I was a kid, the little red tractors. They're friggin' cool too, though. I'm sorry, but they are cool. Like, the little red tractors, But anyway, it's what year are we in now? It's the 2000s, right? So everything's bigger and better. And so he's got the big tractors. He's got, my nephew, he's got an old punch buggy, Volkswagen bug car. So he's got one of them. So that'd be cool. They've, what else? Oh, they've got an old fire truck that runs, and like an old timey, like not like the like the ones you see now, but it's a fire truck nonetheless. They've got four-wheelers. They got the toys, okay? So Bethany is going to lose her absolute mind when we go there. And so my brother is busy doing the soybeans. And so my sister-in-law, her husband, said, "Oh, Bethany can ride on the buddy seat of the combine if he's doing the combining." And I'm like, "No way, she's gonna lose her." I can't say this on this channel, but my F-bombs are like flying out of my mouth in my mind right now. She's gonna lose her, you know what I mean? Oh, wait, and speaking of losing her mind, okay, so I'm busy getting the house ready. Steven and I are busy getting the house ready. And so Bethany is, so I got two baby gates for the top of the stairs, and they're retractable. I think they're meant for dogs, but I watched like a video. I bought them on Amazon, and I watched a video, and they're like they're to keep kids into. Dogs, kids, they're all kids, right? But yeah, it's a mesh gate. Maybe I'll show you if you're interested. It's a mesh gate, and it's retractable. So I got two of them from Amazon that came, and I ordered her. This is only like what, $13 Canadian off. Well, I'm Canadian, guys. I don't know if anybody's new here. Welcome. Thanks for joining me. I'm in Canada, in Ontario, Canada. So from Amazon, I bought her a little potty. And but you know what, guys? Look at this. Do you guys see what I see when I see this? What do you guys see? It's a big turd. Like, talk about subliminal messaging. That's a big turd to me. It's a potty, big turd. Get it? That's what I saw. Do you guys see it? Do you guys see a big turd now that I've pointed it out to you? And what else? So, yeah, so I put on Facebook, because I don't want to buy toys and that, because if I go out buying toys, they can't carry them home in their luggage. So that's a waste of money. Now so I put on Facebook looking for, toys for a 2-year-old. Now, Alora, she's June, July, August, September, October. She just turned 4 months. And then when she's here, she'll be turning 5 months. They really don't play with stuff. I've got some stuff that I crocheted. When you get the stuffy toy and you do Zelda from NRJ3's thing. What's that called? That you put it over the stuffed animal. Oh, you guys know what I'm talking about. Put it in the chat. What am I talking about? Loveys. Thank you. Thank you, whoever wrote that in the chat. Thank you. High five. Okay, so I got some of them, and I'm excited. Can you tell I'm just losing my bleep here. What else? What was I trailing off to say? I don't know. I'm sorry, this video is going to be So yeah, oh yeah, so I put on Facebook looking for, you know, toys for 2-year-old, and it turns out now they don't watch TV. Like Bethany is allowed like a, you know, maybe half an hour after a nap to watch uh, a TV, but it's usually, I think they put on Netflix or whatever, and she watches oh, Tractor Bob or something, and it's all this tractor stuff, and it's yeah, everything dealing with wheels. So I guess there was a video ad for is it the movie Cars? But she's never seen it or knows nothing about it. But now she's highly addicted to Mater. You know, Mater from the Cars movie. So I'm like gung ho searching for a Mater truck. Now on Amazon they're expensive because I don't want, you know, the die cast little ones, right? I wanted the big one. But I did see one at Walmart on the Walmart website, but not available. Anyway, so she's not getting that. So I put out the word looking for on Facebook, looking for toys for a 2-year-old girl. Preferably anything with wheels, tractors, trucks, you name it. Oh, we're gonna have so much fun. And we're gonna go out trick-or-treating because they come on the 28th. They come a day before my mom's 81st birthday. I think I said that. I'm sorry if I'm repeating myself. Yeah, so lo and behold, guess who has to work on a Tuesday? I never, ever, ever get scheduled on a Tuesday. Who's scheduled on Halloween on a Tuesday, which is Tuesday this year? This girl. So anyway, so I got somebody to cover my shift, and I booked holidays for the last week they're here, and I asked for a couple weekends off, and freaking my balls off. What else? I don't know. As soon as I end this video, I'm gonna go, oh, I forgot to tell them this. But so excited. I'm super pumped. Yeah. Okay, guys, I will let you go. Just wanted to share my excitement. Wanted to share these hats. Like I said, I will link the tutorial below for these. Yeah, that one might be a little too big for Bethany. Made this one, and no Madonna. Actually, funny thing, I was just in Madonna's live, and no, the ends have not been sewn into any one of these. But I also want to use, well, I do have a button, but it is tiny. I've got a small handmade with love button. I want to do the button thing so that these things they can be removed when washing, right? So I'm kind of hanging on to this, and I might, yeah, I don't know. I might sew it in a bit, and then I've got it double tied, triple tied, and then I might sew it in a bit, and then re-bring it up, and then out, and then just attach it to this, or I might, no, I'm too lazy. Who am I kidding? I'm too lazy to sew a button on. We'll see how it goes when they're here. So yeah. And yeah, so anyway, I was in Madonna's live just now, and I got the hugest compliment from Madonna. And Madonna, thank you so much. That really touched my heart and really meant a lot to me when you said that. I'll link in Madonna's live below. But she said that she noticed that my stitches are very nice. Or what did she say? Oh, no, I forgot. But she said something very kind to me. That my stitches were, oh, shoot. Anyway, very good. Whatever. I don't know the words she used, but I'll link her live that I just left from. And I was very complimented by that. So I will let you guys go. Yeah, so congratulations to me. I can't believe it. And yeah, I don't have enough yarn. I should have made hats that had enough yarn. So because then I could have done a Laura, Bethany, her mom, my daughter, Chantal, me, grandma, and then my mom, great grandma, in all matching hats. Ah, can you imagine for a photo op? That would be so precious. Yeah. But anyway, this is nice yarn. I love the colors and I hope it softens up. It's not like yuck to touch. It's not yuck to touch. But it's not, me, I like my really softy yarn. But I would recommend this. I don't know if it's still available. If I remember, I'll try and link when Bethany. Oh yeah, and another reason I wanted to make it out of this was because when I was there, I got this yarn while she was there, and we opened it on a video together. So I thought I could show her, look, Bethany, look what Grandma made for you from the yarn we got. Wouldn't that be cute? Oh my goodness, guys. Yeah, okay. And what else is so I can see why people are, okay, I don't have the money to order stuff, but I can see how addictive people are when they're buying stuff. Because like I said, when I got a package delivered for a freaking potty, and then I got the big, I should show you guys the box. It's freaking enormous. Here, come with me. Here, can you see it? It's friggin' enormous. Yeah. So I got that box. I can see why people are like credit carding their life away by ordering and buying stuff. I can't do that, but because it's exciting. Knock, knock, knock. And my people, they just go knock, knock, knock and take off. But anyway, guys, love you very much. Yeah, see you soon. And I've got something else on my hook. I'm gonna bring you guys in here. Take a walk on the wild side. I've got this on my hook. This here. Does anybody know what I'm making? I bet you don't. I bet you don't. Hopefully I'll get that done and show you guys, and have a great day. I love you all. Bye.